If you guys ordered a Trezor wallet since May, I need you guys to listen before you scroll past this. Your crypto's fine, but your home address might not be. Here recently, just a couple days ago, Trezor disclosed a data breach affecting roughly 14,000 customers across the US, the UK, Sweden, Colombia, Brazil, Italy, and Portugal. The breach happened at ShipMonk, Trezor's shipping and logistics provider, but the Trezor actual firmware and hardware, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. What was leaked though was your shipping information. So your name, your address, order details for anyone who ordered between May 10th and August 8th. So what did not leak, you might be asking? Well, that will be your seed phrase, your PINs, your private keys, and your funds. The device security itself is untouched, so that's a good thing. The real danger right now is downstream. What do I mean by that? Well, phishing scams, which are already circulating, plus the uncomfortable reality that a leaked list is now out there, and it tells the bad actors who owns a hardware wallet and where to find them. So if you're on that list, or even if you're not sure, here's what actually matters and what doesn't. If you ordered the Trezor wallet in that window, your funds are safe, but treat any Trezor support emails or DMs as hostile by default. Please, please, please never, ever, ever enter your seed phrase anywhere. Trezor, Tangem, Ledger, none of them will ask you for that information. They have no reason to ask you for that information. So please don't put that information anywhere, because once you put your seed phrase out there, that's it. Your funds are gone. Look what happened with the cold card exploit that just happened here recently. All that Bitcoin got stolen. If you haven't ordered recently but used Trezor, you're not on this specific list, but this should still be a reminder. Hardware wallet companies get breached at the vendor level consistently. So your operational security, where you store the device, who knows you have one, matters more than any single breach itself. If you're shopping for a hardware wallet right now, this doesn't mean avoid Trezor. It means evaluate how any wallet company handles third-party vendors, because the ShipMonk style exposure can happen to any brand. So I want to go ahead and interject really quick, guys. If you guys are liking this video, please let me know down in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe, turn the bell notification, set it to all. It does help out the channel tremendously. But if you guys are interested in getting a hardware wallet, I do have my link down below for my Tangem. It's just a bonus link. If you sign up with Tangem, you get a specific amount of BTC back. I get a little kickback too for you guys signing up. So if you guys are interested in actually having a cold storage, me personally, I like Tangem because it's very difficult, from what I can tell, for anyone to be able to gain access to those funds. So let's go ahead and dive back on in now. Here's my honest take. This is a shipping vendor problem, not a Trezor problem. And I'm not panicking about it, but it's a good gut check moment. Here recently, I just referenced, we had the big cold card issue. About 6 to 8 months after I got my Ledger wallet, I found out that they were allowing you to be able to get your seed phrase online. I'm not a big fan of that. I don't want anyone being able to sit there and say, hey, I forgot my seed phrase. Can I go ahead and get it from you? So with that being said, please be very careful with stuff like this. Now, as far as the shipping side, things happen on the shipping side, and in all reality, what you guys do on a daily basis online does allow for your information to be leaked out there to the general public. If you guys don't want that to be the case, you guys need to take extra steps and extra precautions when you are making purchases or going onto websites. Don't go to shady websites. Don't select those little tick boxes saying that it's okay for them to share your information with third-party vendors, because guess what? That allows them to go ahead and sell your data. So just be very careful with all that stuff. If you got a suspicious Trezor email or text in the last week, drop it in the comments down below. Let's compare notes on what the phishing attempts actually look like. I'd like for everyone else that's seeing this video to be able to see what these attempts look like, so that way they know how not to get got. I'll keep an eye on this the same way I'm tracking the Pearl Cryptex situation. If Trezor issues compensation or a bigger update, I'll cover it as soon as I see it. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I do have some really cool ideas coming soon for other videos, not just data information like this, but I do want to go ahead and talk a little bit more about what I'm doing with my rigs and stuff. With that being said, if this helped you or you think it helped someone else, share it out with them. Turn the bell notification on, set it to all, so that way you don't miss out on any future videos. If you guys want to check out any of the other videos, I'll have them around my head here right now. And I appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Keep on mining, and I'll see you soon.